Sometimes it takes a while to recover from a surgery, injury, illness, or serious medical problem. The team at Phoebe Outpatient Rehabilitation in Albany, Americus, and Sylvester can be with you every step of the way. Our center at Phoebe Northwest in Albany has all the rehab services you could need under one roof. We offer occupational, physical, and speech therapy, as well as audiology services for children and adults, and a wide range of pediatric therapy. We provide specialized cardiac and pulmonary rehab for patients with heart and lung issues. Our experts use advanced technology to help stroke patients. We have a pool for aquatic therapy and equipment specifically to help improve your balance. Our goal is to provide comprehensive, collaborative care so every patient, no matter their age or diagnosis, can reach their full potential. To learn more, call us at 229-312-8700.